Mary Joy T. with thesis title, Work-Life Balance, the tale of professional and personal growth taken by female school heads. Basis for a proposed Basa Tayo program.
It's my honor to present to you 59 candidates for graduation. 45 from the Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management. 7 from the Master of Arts in Education, major in English. 5 from the Master of Arts in Education, major in Guidance and Counseling. And 2 from the Master of Science in Criminal Justice with specialization in criminal.
As the President of Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges and by the Commission on Higher Education, I now confirm you as graduates of the Graduate School Program. Congratulations, everyone.